everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. In today's video I'm gonna be talking about hair fall, and I'm gonna be sharing you two DIY marks, two easy DIY marks. One of my subscriber named Rizwana Parveen, she requested me to do this video. So yep, if you are having a problem with your hair, if you are experiencing hair fall, and if you have dandruff issue, and if you want your hair to regrow, this video gonna help you guys. So firstly, I'm gonna be talking about the causes why your hair falls and why you have dandruff issue and why your hairs are not regrowing. Hair fall have become a really common thing. It is not something rare. Even a teenager is experiencing hair fall. Even a 40-year woman adult is experiencing hair fall. So yeah, excess of hair loss can be sometimes troublesome. Excess of hair fall often causing worry. It also affects our self-esteem, not only to a woman but also to a men. So yep, it has become a really common thing nowadays. However, if you diagnose it right, and if you use certain home remedies, natural home remedies, you can control hair fall, you can control dandruff, you can regrow your hair. So you might be thinking like, why am I having hair fall? There are many causes for hair fall, guys. There are many causes. The first thing is your diet. It might be a deficiency in your diet, like what you eat, it shows outwards, right? Like how much you eat or what type of food you eat, it shows outwards, like bahar se dikhta hai. It might be a nutrition deficiency which causes hair fall. Like you should include zinc, copper, proteins in your diet. Second cause for hair loss is hormonal imbalance. Even a 40-year-old woman experience hormonal imbalance, and which leads to hair fall. A teenager, everybody do experience hormonal imbalance. A teenager, adult, you know, older people, everybody do experience hormonal imbalance. So that's the second cause. Even extreme stress can cause sudden hair loss. Like if you stress over something, if you have a really stressful life, then you will experience hair fall. Not only hair fall, guys, your whole body changes. So stop stressing over something. Not only your hair, your whole body damage, your whole body gets damaged from within. So yeah, stop stressing. How you can control stressing is by exercise, regular exercise, or by, if you can't exercise, do meditate or do yoga. Yoga is the best. It relieves all your stress. So do follow yoga. It helps. It helps. So if you have a stressful life, that can be a cause for hair fall. The most common cause for hair fall is genetics and if you are aging, like if you are getting old, you will lose hair, and genetics, like what your parents or your family have, you will experience the same thing. Even styling products cause hair loss, like straightener, curler, perming, permanent straightening, permanent perming, hair coloring. This cause hair loss. Yes guys, it damages your hair. I do have a hair color on my hair. I know how much it damages your hair, and it also leads to hair fall. However, you can still control hair fall by following certain home remedies, natural home remedies. These are the common causes for hair loss. So before trying out these DIY marks, stop stressing. Include iron, zinc, copper in your diet, protein in your diet. Follow a good lifestyle. Before I share with you guys this DIY marks, I would like to inform you guys that these DIY marks are tested by me. I do apply this DIY marks every single week. So yep, I will stop my blabberness right here. Let's begin. So the first hair marks is onion hair marks. Yes guys, onion hair marks. Onions are really beneficial for your hair. It helps in hair growth. Onions, you know, they have antioxidants properties present. It helps, nourishes your hair follicle. Onion do contain sulfur. Sulfur helps nourishes hair, and it also minimize hair thinning and breakage. Onions also delay graying, help control dandruff. It also helps improve blood circulation. You will need 1 large onion, coconut oil, any brand, whichever you may like, you can use that. So yeah, coconut oil, and some cotton pads. Process of making this hair mask is really easy, guys. All you have to do is chop your onions into a small pieces and put your onions into a grinder. Once you are done, you're gonna take your onion paste and strain it into a strainer and get a juice out of it. I hope I'm making sense. Then you're gonna add your coconut oil, which is about 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. And now the hair mask is ready to use. Take your cotton pad and soak your cotton pad into a onion mask. With the help of a cotton pad, you're gonna apply this onion mask all over your scalp. Concentrate more on the area where you have less hair. So yeah, apply it all over your face with the help of a cotton pad. Once you are done applying the mask all over your scalp, you're gonna massage your scalp really well in a gentle way, not going too harsh. So yeah, apply and massage it really well. If you cannot bear the smell of onion, take your conditioner, pour on some vinegar. Vinegar is also really good for your hair. It gives a really nice shine to your hair. Pour on some vinegar and apply all over your hair, and there will be no smell at all. Leave this mask on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can proceed to rinse off your hair. Follow up with a shampoo and a good conditioner. The next hair mask is egg hair mask. Eggs are really good for hair, guys. Eggs is excellent in hair growth. It conditions your hair, improves hair texture. Eggs are power packed with proteins, minerals, B complex. Egg contains fatty acid which helps strengthen. You're gonna need egg. If you have dry scalp, then you're gonna add egg yolk, the yellow one. If you have oily scalp, then you're gonna add only the white. If you have damaged plus oily plus dry scalp, then you're gonna add the whole. You're gonna need coconut oil and a warm water. In a bowl, add your coconut oil, which is about 1 tablespoon. Break an egg and add it into a bowl. Whisk the egg and oil in a bowl until the white and oil combine together. Now take a bowl of water and you're gonna warm this water into a microwave for at least 5 minutes. Once the water is completely warmed, you're gonna take your mask bowl and place it inside a water. Let's sit for 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, this hair mask is ready to use. You can apply this hair mask all over your scalp as well as to your hair. As I mentioned before, you can also apply this hair mask onto your hair lengths too. You have to wait for 15 minutes, then you can proceed and rinse off your hair using a normal water. Also do follow up with shampoo and a good conditioner. If you want good and faster result, use this hair mask once in a week. Must, guys, it's a must to use this hair mask once in a week. Also guys, I would like to include some tips in this video which I do personally follow. The first important thing for your hair is your shampoo. Like, you need to understand your scalp. If you have a dry scalp, you need to choose your shampoo according to according to your scalp. If you have oily scalp, then you need to choose on that particular thing. So yeah, the first and the foremost important tip for your hair is your shampoo. Choose a correct and right shampoo for your scalp. So guys, do remember that you need not to over shampoo your hair. Over shampooing your hair leads to dry scalp, which leads to hair fall. You don't have to over shampoo. Shampoo your hair at least 3 in a week or 2 in a week. Second tip is conditioner. Always use a conditioner. If you are shampooing your hair, use a conditioner. It is a must-have product for your hair. Conditioner do repair damaged hair and keep your hair smooth, soft, and it gives a really nice shine. Always, if you are shampooing your hair, follow up with a conditioner, a good conditioner which suits your scalp. Whether if you have a dry scalp or oily scalp, you need to condition your hair. So use a good conditioner. The third tip which I would like to share with you guys is drink plenty of water. Yep, you need to keep your body hydrated all the time. So I always keep a water bottle with me. I drink lots and lots of water. So I guess this is 1 liter bottle. I empty and refill this maybe 4 or 5. I don't know. I drink lots of water. So always hydrate your body. What I mean is, carry a bottle with you. If you are at home, bottle. If you are out, carry a bottle with you. It do helps a lot, guys. It do helps a lot. It flush out any toxin from your body. Water do helps a lot. So always hydrate. Always drink lots and lots of water. The last tip which I would love to share with you guys is oil your hair. Oiling your hair is important, guys. Once in a week you need to oil your hair. Oil is really good for your hair. Coconut oil is really amazing for your hair. It can do wonders for your hair. So always oil your hair once in a week. Yep, that's pretty much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right below the screen. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will definitely mean a lot to me. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or updates. Also guys, I'm running a giveaway on my YouTube as well as on my Instagram page. If you haven't yet still entered my YouTube giveaway, then all you have to do is click on this link and go ahead and do participate if you do want to participate. So if you are interested in my Instagram giveaway, then all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram, and this is my Instagram handle. You can search this name on Instagram and you can follow me and follow some rules for you to be qualified for the giveaway. So yeah, see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.